Hi, this is Jorge Usabiaga, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a sound to a destructible mesh when it fractures. It's actually pretty simple. You could do it from blueprints, but if you go into the destructible mesh editor here, if you scroll down here on the destructible settings, you get to a section on effects, right? So if you click on fracture effects and their level of detail 1, remember the level of detail 1 is the chunks that actually separate. And there is an option to attach a sound, right? So if you click here and you select explosion sound cue, I already have a sound that will work for this. When you play now in the editor, oops, P explodes. The same way you could also add a particle system. So you could add, for example, it says here explosion. I haven't tried this one. Let's look what it looks. Let's see what it looks like. So very easy to add both a sound and a particle system to the when the destructible mesh fractures. Thank you.